Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can simulate practice in F1 24. If you don't want to participate in the practice, then you can use the simulation. So if you go to the next session, then over here you can choose quick practice. Now over here we have the practice program to attempt, and I have 4 out of 5 over here for race strategy because I used the simulation and the previous practices. So as you can see, they carry over to the next practice days. Over here now you can choose which program you want to attempt. So let's say we're gonna go for the tire management, and over here we can see objectives to pursue. We have the duration that is required for the objective. We also have the percentage of the success, so we have the success rate, and if we have of course 100% success rate, then we are guaranteed to reach the objective. Now over here we can also see the time remaining, and it goes down second by second. So we have 30 minutes that we can spend. Once we complete the objective, we can advance, and we will refresh and get new objectives. And of course you can risk and go for an objective that takes less time to complete, but it has lower success rate. So let's say if I choose this one, fuel efficiency, it has 25% success rate, and it takes 4 minutes 20 seconds in order to complete. So let's give it a try, and it failed. So unfortunately I didn't complete it. I can try one more time until it is successful, or until I run out of time. So let me actually try one more time to see if I can be lucky this time. No, let's keep trying, because why not? Of course you don't have to do that. You can just go back and go, for instance, to anything else like the qualifying pace and choose something else in order to not lose your time. And so let's actually choose this one, as this has 100% success rate. There we go. Now as we don't have any much time left, we can simply end the session. So let's press B. On Xbox you can also press circle, or on the PlayStation controller, or escape on your keyboard. And this is how we can do the simulation for the practice without having to do the practice by ourselves. And of course you can do this for every practice day. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.